Hey, what's up, people? Alright, man. So today we got this box. We just got it in right now. Postman dropped it off. It's from Fugitive Toys. Alright, so we got the Batman dagger. And we're gonna open up this box and see what's in it. I'll try to... I don't do that good at filming, opening shit while filming, so... let's hope I'm not that shaky. I don't want to go in too deep. Fuck around and poke a pop. Oh shit. Ain't that a bitch. Alright, here we go. Alright. So, let's put this away before I cut myself. Okay, we're gonna see how... I've never purchased anything from them, so we're gonna see how good they package and ship, and you know. So far, so good. Exactly. So let's go in it. There's my invoice. Yeah, let's not look at that. Okay, so we got Magneto. I'm gonna do individual reviews of all these, but right now we're just gonna unbox them. Cyclops is a little bent. The box is a little bent. Not sure I like that. It looks cool though. This Breaking Bad Entertainment Earth exclusive. Walter White. Jack Burden, Big Trouble in Little China. This one just came out and it's awesome. Can't wait to show you guys the details on this bad boy. And well, we don't have to go too deep, because as you can see, let's just see them right here. I'm gonna do a review on all of them one by one. That's the Jesse Pinkman, Professor X, Jason, and today is actually Friday the 13th while I'm filming. And then Predator, Jesse Pinkman. It's upside down, so I don't know how it's gonna come out, but yeah. So that's the package from Fugitive Toys. Overall, pretty good. The Cyclops box is pretty fucked up. Like, it's smashed right there. I don't know if that's considered acceptable. I don't know. I don't know if I like that. Anyhow, I appreciate the views. I appreciate the subs. I'll keep, you know, trying to put videos up. And peace out.